How to use Coinbase Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what Coinbase is. Coinbase is a self-custodial wallet that lets you manage your private keys and have full control over your digital assets. Unlike the Coinbase Exchange app, Coinbase Wallet is decentralized and allows you to store cryptocurrencies and NFTs, access decentralized applications, swap tokens across multiple blockchains, and securely manage your assets without relying on a central authority. Now, go ahead and open your App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Coinbase and download the application. Once downloaded, create a wallet. Once you have created your wallet, select a strong PIN or enable biometric authentication for security. Now, in order to receive crypto to your wallet, tap on the Receive option on the main screen and choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Now, copy your wallet address or share the QR code with the sender. And if you want to send cryptocurrency, tap on the Send option you see there and then select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Further, enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code, and then specify the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details and confirm. And if you want to buy crypto with Coinbase Wallet, tap Buy or Transfer on the app's home screen and then choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Select a payment method, example credit card, Coinbase account, etc., and complete the payment process. The purchased crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet. And if you want to swap tokens, tap Swap in the app and then select the token you want to swap from and then select the To option. Now enter the amount and review the transaction details and confirm the swap and pay the network fees. So this was about Coinbase Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.